Quiet, powerful, and Home Assistant compatible. That's what I was after when I ordered the Dreo 517S fan. Today, I'm putting the fan together, setting it up in the Dreo app, and getting it working in Home Assistant. Join me as I find out if this fan meets my expectations. Welcome back to Tech Fueled Adulting. Today I'm looking at the Dreo Turbo Poly 517S. This guy right here. This Wi-Fi connected smart fan is a great addition to my home automation system, and I want to run through its features with you. The first part of this is the Dreo app. I'd like to show you how that's set up. You do need to create an account for it. Found a new device, we'll go ahead and add that. Add my network to it, my Wi-Fi to it so it can connect up. It's running through its setup process here. Alrighty. It's in my office, that'll work. Air circulator, that's what it is. And just running through some of the features that it has, I can turn it on. Going to be hard to see that going, but it is pushing out air. It's a high volume. This is deep, and the fan blades span the whole depth, and so it's pushing out quite a bit of air. There are, what is this? 12 different fan settings. Plus a 13th as high. It goes quite, well, turbo is what they call it, not high, but turbo. Horizontal rotation, and it's spinning. It's going, it's going, it's going. Oh, no, I want it to go further. You can go up as well. And I can set the degrees specifically if I wanted it to go. Asymmetric is pretty cool, so I can switch it over to be just a specific side if I wanted to. I just think this is fantastic. To be able to have such control over it automatically is really great. I'm going to go back. I want to be able to show you the lights. That's pretty cool. So you can change the light colors. Go to green, blue, purples. You can select your own colors. It's still pretty fantastic to have that opportunity there. I'm not really thinking I'm going to use it, but it would be great for a kid per se. Or if you've got a great RGB setup in your office, bedroom, child lock, panel sounds, auto display on off, all sorts of great stuff to be able to control right there. It does detect the temperature in the room, and then a variety of settings. So that is the Dreo app. I utilize Home Assistant as a home automation tool, and so that's going to be done using a different tool. So let's go ahead and get that set up. To set it up in Home Assistant, go to the Home Assistant page. I start with my overview. I have the HACS integration installed. That's the Home Assistant Community Store. In there, you can search for the Dreo. There are two of them. The official Dreo devices integration for the Home Assistant is the one that Dreo puts out, and it's okay. Nothing wrong with it. It contains some, 20, 30 different integrations. The Dreo smart device integration up here, which is provided by the Home Assistant community, is a far wider integration. It uses a different setup and follows a lot more of the conventions available to you. I've chosen that one. I tried the Dreo one first. It actually hadn't connected this one up yet, and so wasn't even an option for me to use. I tried using something that was close. It didn't work out, so I went ahead and requested they include this specific model, which is the 517S. For the Dreo smart device integration for Home Assistant, this is the community version. I went in, I saw that they had an integration, and so I downloaded it and tried it out. Originally, when I downloaded it, most of the functionality worked. One of the key pieces that I was interested in utilizing, though, was the on-off button didn't. And so I went in, and this is my first time really interacting with the Home Assistant community as a whole, and I checked to see if there was a bug. 4 days prior to me checking this out, there was a bug opened for it. And so I worked with Jeff Steinbach, who is the owner of the code base for this. And he worked through it all with us, a couple versions, a couple different testings. I had an excellent experience working with the community. And Jeff specifically, shout out to him for all the work he's doing. Would not be possible for me without people like him writing the integrations for this and troubleshooting with us. Once I have that installed, I can go into my settings, device services, and I can find it in the Dreo here. Air circulator, you do need to log into your Dreo account that you created with the Dreo app on the phone. Once we get there, I have all of the same controls we had before. I can turn it on, off, horizontal angle, whether we're doing oscillation or not. It still tells us the temperature that's available to us. So if we needed to check to say, hey, turn it on when the temperature increases above 70 degrees, it'll do that. Pay attention to it and work. That's the setup in Home Assistant. It's really quite simple. The rest of these work just like anything else would in Home Assistant. So if you've got automations in there, that'll work the same way. With the Dreo app set up and the fan configured in Home Assistant, I'm really excited to be able to utilize to its fullest. Thanks for joining me on another tech demonstration on Tech Fueled Adulting.